Welcome to Arts and Crafty Central's second year of 12 Days of Craftsmas. I will be releasing 12 different craft videos leading up to Christmas. These crafts are either perfect for holiday gifts or make great holiday decorations. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these 12 wintertime crafts. On some red cardstock paper, draw 3 teardrop shapes, one big, one medium, and one small. Then cut them all out. Trace 4 more of the large petals and cut them out. Erase the pencil lines. Trace and cut 4 of the other sizes too, so you should have a total of 5 teardrops of each size. Next, trace and cut out a medium circle from the same red paper. Crease each of the large teardrops in half. These will make the petals. Hot glue the petals onto the circle spread evenly. Crease the medium-sized petals. Hot glue these petals in between each of the large ones. Crease the small petals and then glue them on too. Next, use a hole puncher on some yellow paper to punch a bunch of circles. In the center of the flower, glue on the yellow circles. Fold some green cardstock paper in half and draw a pointed poinsettia leaf. Cut it out and unfold it to reveal a leaf. Put the leaf on another folded piece of paper and trace it. Trace and cut enough times so that you have 4 leaves. Hot glue the leaves like this onto the back of the poinsettia. You can now glue this onto a gift bag or a present, sort of like a bow, or you could just use it as decoration. If If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe so that you get notified when the next day of Craftsmas is posted.